Alright, Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc. doing business as Tramas Auto School. This time we're gonna go into a 3-point turn. We went through one on our pseudo simulator back at the office, but this is gonna be a real live one in a real car. Alright, process is the same. Okay, so the first thing is to make sure you're in position. They can do the 3-point turn from the sidewalk or from next to a car if the road is wide enough. They can have you pull over separately to do it. They can have you park first and then do it right out of the parking spot, but you still follow the process pretty much the same: gear, signal, wheel, mirror, blind spot. And for the 3-point turn, you'll also have to look up ahead to make sure no traffic is coming towards you. Again, remember, other traffic has the right of way, so you have to wait if there's traffic that's too close, and then you go when it's clear. All right, and you just keep going through the process until you're done. All right, so let's see the demonstration. So we're pulled over on the side of the road. Remember, pulling over is part of the process, just like we demonstrated with the parking videos. You have to signal, check your mirror, check your blind spot, come over slowly, pay attention to where they want you to go, and pull over where they want you to go slowly and safely, right? And then they'll say something like, okay, let's do a 3-point turn. 3-point turn is also known as a K-turn or a broken U-turn, so they could use any of those terms. And once they say that, then you start the process. All right, so you can put the parking brake down. So gear first, signal, turn the wheel. This time it's good enough on near lock. And then you have to look up ahead, left mirror, and left shoulder. And you gotta wait for traffic. So we have a car coming this way, we cannot go. That car has the right of way, we have to wait. Right? There's more cars, and that's just a stop sign up there. It's not a red light, so we know they're not gonna stop and wait too long. They're gonna stop and come through, so we just have to wait. Part of driving is patience, right? All right, and then you're looking behind, right? What's going on here? All right, so you're looking behind also. All right, what's that? It looks like it's clear now. All right, there's another car at a stop sign there now, so that car is coming. All right, and now it's clear, and we're gonna go towards the other side of the road. All right, now put the car in reverse, and you don't worry about the signal anymore, but you turn the wheel. Good. Now look side to side, and they don't have space to come now, so they decided to wait for us. There's nobody over here right now, so we're gonna come back, and you look back as you're coming back a little bit more, and that's good. All right, now you put it back in drive. All right, turn the wheel, and then you gotta look this way. All right, watch the bicycle here. He has the right to go. You let him go, and now you can continue. All right. All right, and you come out on your side of the road. You got to make sure you're on the right side of the road. We stop for the stop sign, and then you continue. All right, we'll make that right there. And that's how you do a 3-point turn in real life. It's literally gear, signal, wheel, look, observe, one step at a time. All right, so Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc. doing business as Tramas Auto School, signing off. And please don't forget to comment, ask questions, like, subscribe. You'll always know we'll continue to keep the videos coming. All right, everybody take care.